Welcome back to the channel everyone. My name is Ashok and in this video I will show you different ways or different modes how you can write your Python script. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. The first thing that I will show you is the interactive mode. Basically, I will do is I will just open my command prompt and what I will type here is, let me zoom this a little bit so that you can see properly. So what you can do here is you can just type Python and now if you remember the last video where we had installed Python, at the very beginning it had asked us to add Python 3.9 to the path. So if you have checked that at the time of installing Python, then you will not have to mention the entire path here. Just you will have to write Python and just click on enter. Just click enter here. As you can notice here, after clicking enter, you will get this kind of prompt and Python 3.9.5 and also you can type help, copyright, credits, license for more information. Now what we will do is we will just write a simple Python statement. So we will write a print statement and what we will do is we will just print a greeting message. So let's say I will write hello and I will give my name here. You can write your name as well. So if I press enter, notice in the interactive mode, you will get the output automatically once you hit enter after here. Okay. So this is what the interactive mode is. Now let me show you the next way how you can run Python. So now what I will do is I will open a text editor. So I will open a simple text editor like Notepad. I hope everyone will be having Notepad in their system. Now what I will do is I will write here print and I will write hello everyone. Now what we have to do next is we'll have to use file and we will have to save it. So you can use Ctrl S to save the file. Click save. Now what I will do is I will go to my desktop and I will just save this file. So I will save this file as greetings.py. So the extension for Python, it will be py, or else you can also give pyw. So here I will be giving py and this one, as you can see here, save as type, this you can change it to all files. Okay. Now after that you can click on the save. Now after clicking on save, you will see this kind of file. Now what we will do is we will close this and after that we will open the command prompt. Now we will have to go to our desktop and let me zoom this. Now we are inside our desktop and if I list, you can see here we have this greetings.py. Okay, this is the Python file. Now what I will do is I will type Python and then the file name. So this is how you can run the Python file. So this is called as the script mode. And if I hit enter, notice whatever we had written inside this greetings.py file, the output it is showing us. And if we do some mistake, it will show us the error as well. So this is the script mode. Let me cancel this thing. I will show you the next one. So at the time of installing Python, you will get a default IDE. So the IDE is called as idle. Okay. So here what you can do is you will get an interactive mode here as well. And also you can save this file just like Notepad how we did. So if you are wondering why my screen is looking a little bit different and the fonts are bold, basically what I have done is I have gone to options and I have done configure idle. Now here what you can do is you can increase the size here. So I have increased the size to 18 and I have clicked on this bold. That's why it is looking bold and it is looking clear. And after setting your size, you can click on apply and OK. Got it? So I have made this as per my preferences. You can do it and you can customize as per your preference. So here in the ideally, you can see this is a interactive mode where you can write your Python script, or I can say Python program or statement. So you can write here hello world and just hit enter and you can see the output just like in the command prompt that we were doing. So if you want to save the file just like in the Notepad how we did, we had written a code and we saved the file. So like that, how you can do is you can just go to your file, click on new file. The shortcut is Ctrl N. So this is how it will give us a new file. Here you can write the code as well. Let me write print hello everyone. Notice I am writing here in single quote. So in Python you can write a string in single quote as well, even in double quotes. So we will have a dedicated lecture about string later, but for now let me show you how you can write a new file and you can save it in IDLE or idle. So I am writing hello everyone. Also you can write another statement here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So after this, what you can do is you can go to file, you can save this, and after this you can give the path. I will save it in my desktop. In the last time when we were using Notepad, you see the type is py extension. Now what we will do is we will give something like hello dot pyw. So in this time we will give pyw extension and we will click on save. After clicking save, you can notice we will get a file here, hello. And after this, how you can run this file. So basically what you have to do is just click on this run and you will have to click on this run module. You can also press F5. After clicking on that, you will get the output here. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the third way how you can execute Python statements. And now the fourth way I will show you, and that is the convenient way. So we had used PyCharm last time, right? So if I go into my PyCharm, so as you can see here, I have written some code here, okay? And I will press run, and you can see here I will get this kind of output here. So basically what I'm trying to say here is this is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So basically here we have the text editor as well, and also we have the console screen where you can see the output. So that is the advantage of using an integrated development environment where you will have the editor as well, and you can create new files and you can run your program here and you can build softwares. So that is the reason why in the industry everyone uses IDE, because it is very convenient to build softwares using an IDE or an integrated development environment. So in the last video, I had showed you how you can customize your PyCharm. So in this video, I will show you some other things. So basically, I will use this white theme, which is IntelliJ Light, because it's looking good in the videos. That's the reason. So anyways, you can use dark color as well. So let me show you how you can change the themes as well. Go to settings, and after going to settings you can go to appearance and behavior. Here in the appearance you can change this to IntelliJ Light or anything else. So basically I will use this default theme, which is IntelliJ Light, and I will use this Sigui UI font and 14 size. Now if you want to add something, for example, like some plugins, you can go to this plugins. It's really very helpful, and you can type for this material theme UI. So this is really very helpful. As you can see here, you can customize your PyCharm like this, and there are so many other themes that we have inside this material theme UI. Once you install it, you will have to restart your IDE. That's it. So basically what you'll have to do is just click on this install if you want to use this plugin. After clicking on install, what you'll have to do is just restart. It will ask you want to restart this particular IDE. So just restart once, and after restarting, what you'll have to do is just go to your appearance here, and you can see there are so many other options. So in the comment section, let me know which is your favorite theme, and I have shown you 4 different ways how you can run your Python code or script. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, gained some knowledge. Please do hit that like button if you like this video, and share it with others if you think that this video will be helpful to others. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will receive updates whenever I post a new video in my channel. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.